From bricks to supercomputers in your pocket. In 1992, mobile phones were huge, heavy, and could barely make a call. Carrying one was a workout. By the early 2000s, phones got smaller and a little smarter. Flip phones and early Nokias were all the rage. Then came the touchscreen. Suddenly your phone became a mini computer you could hold in your hand. Apps changed everything. From messaging to games, your phone could now do almost anything. Today, a phone has more computing power than the computers that sent humans to the moon. Camera, games, AI assistants, all in your pocket, ready whenever you need them. And it's not stopping here. Futuristic phones with AI foldables and holograms are on the horizon, from bricks to pocket supercomputers. How far will we go? Like and subscribe for more videos about the history of tech.